Good. Bang around kind of while.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So we're framed up. We're ready to go. We're locked and loaded. So yeah, sounds good. Well, we'll do the Should do a room shot check here.
I'm gonna hold that cable 200 finger there, just to keep it.
Just like that. All right. Sweet. So hi interwebs. I'm Bo. We're here at Circuit Launch in Oakland for the quarterly DIY Robocar races. And I've got a great little donkey car team here. So why don't you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about the car that you brought today?
Thanks. My name's Matt. This is my son, Carson, and this is a donkey car that we just built. It's pretty much a stock donkey car. It's our first project with DIY Robocars, and came to the event back in December. Had a really good time with it, just watching what people were doing. So over the last couple of months, we built up our own version of it and given it a trial today.
So is this the first time you'll be racing it on the track?
It is. In fact, we just got it to do its first successful lap about 10 minutes ago. So this will be the first race for us.
Very cool. And so you've got an Xbox controller here. And so that lets you drive this manually. And then you've also got this laptop. So once you get on the track for competition, it'll actually be racing itself.
Yeah, that's right. So Carson, he did all the training and he was using the Xbox controller to manually control the car around the track. We collected about 9,000 different samples of data, images, and little samples of what the steering angle is and what the throttle level is. Ran it through, built the model on the laptop and moved it back to the car so that when we start the race, hopefully with one command, it'll start driving itself based on that model that we trained.
Very cool. So do you think you're going to be a professional autonomous race car driver one of these days?
Probably not.
What do you want to be instead?
Robotics engineer.
A robotics engineer in the making. So this seems like pretty good practice for that. Yeah, well, thanks for coming out today.
What you do on this? What's your part of this?
My part of this is driving this and training it.
And so how does the training work? It looks like you've got a Raspberry Pi there on a remote control car, and we've got a test track set up, and I see there's a Pi camera. So you train the car just by driving it around manually?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah. So it'll be interesting to see how it works this first time around. Again, we got a couple of laps of it driving itself. We're having a little bit of trouble getting it to start itself, but that's what this kind of practice is for.
Awesome. Well, I can smell the barbecue is almost ready, so we're going to break lunch here. So thanks for the quick pit interview, and look forward to seeing you out on the track in a bit.
Cool. Thanks, Bob.
Yeah.
Cool. No. Well, we're mobile for a 2-camera switch. That was good. So like, I just felt like whenever you're sort of like, I'm looking at this now, and then I follow you.
Yeah.
And then when you stop, like,
Great.
that's it. So with this mic though, just remember it's got to be
close. Yeah.
like this is it.
Yeah, it needs to be like up here,
That would be ideal.
or even like right at it.
Yeah, I mean this is fine.
Right here?
You don't have to cover their face, but
Yeah,
just
yeah.
below their chin line. Yeah, just below the chin line, like even that.
Okay.
So you can see the whole face. Oh yeah.
Okay.
This will work great.
Cool.
Like even that will work great.
Okay.
But much more than that.
Okay. So
Yeah.
anywhere
Yeah.
here, out of shot for
Exactly. Like it looks like.
So when I'm like right here,
Yeah,
this
you're
is
fine.
working fine like this.
Hey, I'm right here. Like,
Yeah.
right, you know,
Hey, I'm here with
I leave.
yeah.
we're gonna interview this guy right now.
What?
Shall we interview you? Or do you want to grab?